I am not your dog. Oh my God. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Reactor Page Official is here again for another reaction video and commenting. So for today, we're gonna react to special week 2 ng Between Us together with the two characters. We have Win and Tim. This is produced by Wabi Sabi Studios. So bago natin panoorin ang week 2 special guys, balikan lang natin yung nangyari sa special week 1 ng Between Us kung saan pasabog yung eksena. Oh my God! Perfect love team. Sobrang ang gwapo, sobrang ang cute, at sobrang ang hahat nilang dalawa guys. Kaya sobrang nakaka-excite na panoorin yung kanilang special week 2. So sabay-sabay na natin panoorin guys, and later syempre magbibigay tayo ng komento ukol sa ating napanood for this special week 2 ng Between Us. Pero bago man ang lahat, syempre huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe. I-click niyo na rin po ang notification bell para updated kayo always kapag nag-upload po ako ng mga bago kong reaction video dito sa ating YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. Oh my God, I am very excited. This is it.
โปรเจกต์นี้นะครับผมจัดทำขึ้นเพราะอยากทำไม่มีสาระแล้วก็ไม่มีดราม่าใดๆทั้งสิ้นมีแต่ความตลกและก็มุมมองนะครับเพราะอยากทำเฉยๆแล้วก็น่าอยากคาดหวังหาสาระเพราะหายังไงก็หาไม่เจอครับแต่ถ้าอยากได้ความน่ารักอันนี้มีแน่นอนครับไม่เชื่อก็ลองดูได้นะฮะแจ้งให้ทราบโดยทั่วกันไปแล้วนะไปเล่นไปแล้วคนก็รอไป
Oh my God! Ang gwapo. Shit, ang cute. Tsaka ang hot ni Win. Tangkad pa.
ยังไม่ได้มาร้อนหรือไปซื้อไอติมมา
Ice cream.
เนี่ยแกนายอยากกินด้วยอ่ะไม่ใช่หมา
I am not your dog.
เดี๋ยวไปเล่นบ้าง
Ang cute niya kumain ng ice cream. Grabe, nakakaloka itong si Tim. Oh my God. Ay. May pa ganon?
ดูนี่ก็เลยอ่ะ
Ah.
เล่นด้วยดิเดี๋ยวไม่อาบน้ำไม่กันดิอาบน้ำเหรอ
Shower.
ไปเดี๋ยวไม่อาบน้ำอะไรเนี่ยอาบน้ำไงทำอะไรเนี่ย
Yung ice cream natapon. Ah? Oh. So it's time to washing the clothes.
Yeah.
Bro.
โอ้ยเนี่ยไม่น่าคนมองทั้งวันเลยเนี่ยต้องมึงใส่เสื้อไปดูตาม้าตาเลยกูบอกน่ารักสบายน่ารักเหรอไม่ต้องเนี่ยตัวเดียวไม่น่ารักหรอเนี่ยอย่าอาบน้ำน่าอาบน้ำไม่เอาไม่อยากอาบตอนนี้เนี่ย อยากเป็นได้ ศิลปินขาเพราะมันมีโอกาสขึ้นเลย
Wow what
เพื่อนมันซื้อมาให้อ่ะมันบอกว่าตอนซื้อ2 แถม 1ก็เลยเอามาใช้ดูอ่ะแป้งเด็กเนี่ยนะ
kid powder baby powder
ช่วยลดผดตรงผื่นด้วยนะเป็นไงกลิ่นมันอะไรเนี่ยแกงเนี่ยกินมันหอมอ่ะอุ้ยเฮียยาเฮียอุ้ยเฮียโอ้ยไม่เอาเฮียมันเลอะเอาใช่ไหมเนี่ยจะเอาใช่ปะจะเอาใช่ปะเอาไปเฮียเดี๋ยวพ่อมาดูรถ
Ang cute ng mga ano niya, no, tattoo ni Win sa katawan. So, ayun nga guys, na napanood natin ang special week 2 ng Between Us and na magbigay tayo ng komento ukol sa ating napanood for this special. So, by the way guys, sobrang ingay ng kapaligiran ko ngayon guys. You can heard naman sa aking audio, so pasensya na po ulit. Kasi every time na gumagawa po ako ng aking reaction video dito sa ating YouTube channel ay talagang sobrang ingay ng aming kapitbahay, mga bata, may aso, may pusa, yung aming bubungan, nag-iingay dahil sa malakas na hangin. So pasensya na po ulit. Sana ay talagang naiintindihan nyo po yung aking kalagayan ngayon guys. Kasi kung ako naman ang mag-adjust, wala rin naman mangyayari sa mga gagawin ko mga reaction video at wala din tayong magagawang reaction video kung tayo ang mag-adjust. So ang gawin natin ay kailangan din natin makipagsabayan sa kanila kahit na medyo maingay yung ating kapaligiran. Okay, so pasensya na po ulit and I am so sorry for that. Okay, so balik tayo sa ating pinag-uusapan dito sa special week to ng Between Us. Oh my God, OMG. Yun po yung aking masasabi dito sa special week to. Perfect love team, Win and Tim. Sobrang nakaka-inlove, sobrang ang cute, sobrang ang gagwapo, sobrang ang hahat, at sobrang nakaka-excite panoorin ang regular episode ng Between Us the series kung saan mapapanood niyan natin guys next year 2022 exclusively sa WeTV app produced by Wabi Sabi Studio. And wala po tayong information kung kailan po natin mapanood, kung ano po yung ano pong buwan or araw siya ipapalabas. Basta ang alam po natin ay next year 2022. Sana I hope is first quarter ng 2022 mapapalabas itong Between Us the series kasi sobrang nakaka-excite talaga guys. Oh my God. So balik tayo dito sa special week to ng Between Us guys. Oh my God, nakakakilig. Grabe. Nakakakilig yung eksena ni na Win and Tim guys, especially yung kumakain si Tim ng ice cream. Grabe, in fairness. Kinikilig ako sa sobra guys, diba? Since naman dun sa week 1 special ng Between Us, diba? Sobrang nakakilig naman talaga, diba? So dito naman sa week 2, mas level up yung kanilang kilignis ni na Win and Tim. Oh my God. At saka yung kaninang eksena nila guys, yung last scene dito sa special week 2 ng Between Us kung saan diba kaagagaling lang naliligo itong si Win sa CR, diba? So ayun, diba nakita natin yung kanyang mga tato. Perfect. Nakadagdag yung tato sa kagwapuhan, sa kahat ni Win. Grabe, oh my God, nakakaloka. Sobrang perfect yung mga tato guys, in fairness. Oo. Nakakaloka yung tato. Ang dami no dito, magkabilaan sa sa balikat and then dito sa likod. Yung sa likod naman niya is yung para siyang pakpak ng anghel pero black siya. 'di ba? Kulay black yung color ng wings, 'di ba? Ganun, nakakaloka, nakaka-good vibes talaga. Yun, nakakadagdag sa kanya kagwapuhan kay Win, 'di ba? Yung mga tattoo niya nakadagdag, in fairness. Oo, itong si Bun no Panot, o 'di ba? Yun yung kanyang true name, guys. Of course, kasama naman niya dito, of course, katambal niya dito, or kalab team niya dito, si Prim Warot bilang team. So, ano pa ba yung mga sasabihin ko? So, ayun guys, no, dahil nga kinikilig tayo every week ng special week ng Between Us, siyempre, yung inaasahan pa natin na ano pa ba kayang gawin or ano pa ba yung kayang ilabas na mga eksena, kung ano pa ba yung kayang kilignis ng dalawang ito. We have Team and Win sa kanilang susunod na special week 3 ng Between Us. Of course, ang special week 3 pala guys ay mapapanood natin this coming Wednesday night, exclusive po sa YouTube channel ng Wabi Sabi Studio. Pero kailangan nyo po mag-join or magpa-membership dun sa kanilang join button para po ay mapanood nyo po ng maaga ang kanilang special week 3, kasi kapag hindi po kayo nagpa-membership or hindi po kayo mag-join dun sa kanilang membership sa kanilang YouTube channel, ay mapapanood nyo naman po, pero delayed nga lang. So yung ginagawa natin ngayon guys is yung week 2 special ng Between Us, kung saan pinalabas siya nung nakaraang linggo din na Wednesday. Okay? So ngayong Wednesday ay mapapanood po natin yung kanilang special week 3 ng Between Us, and of course ipapalabas din nila or i-release din nila guys ang special week 2 ng Between Us. Okay? So ayun. So kung kailangan nyo po or kung gusto nyo pong mapanood ng maaga yung kanilang nire-release na mga special week ng Between Us, ay kailangan nyo po magpa-join dun sa kanilang membership sa kanilang YouTube channel. Okay? So ayun, babanggitin ko lang guys yung mga characters and of course mga actors and actresses na gaganap dito sa Between Us. And in fairness guys, itong Between Us ay parang continuing lang dun sa story nina Win and Tim dun sa BL series din na produce ng Wabi Sabi Studio, yung Until We Meet Again, kung saan ay yung lead cast dun ay sina Fluk Natach and Om Titiwat bilang Parm and Den. So alam naman natin yan, di ba, napapanood yan natin guys ang yung kanilang previous BL series na pinagbibidaan ni na Fluk and Om, yung Until We Meet Again. So parang continuing lang dun sa story ni na Tim and Win dito sa Between Us. Of course, kasama din nila guys si Samantha bilang Manu, Pina R. Panin bilang Dil, Boston Sopadach bilang Prok, and also si Yach Pasit bilang Mew. So yun po yung mga lead mga supporting actors and actresses dito sa Between Us, and of course pinagbibidahan naman Nina Bun no Panot, and of course Team Warot. Of course we have Win and Team, and this is directed by New Siwaj. Ito din yung director ng Until We Meet Again, and also yung sa Love by Chance Season 1 and also Season 2. Itong si New Siwaj. So grabe no, siya na director, parang always na lang siya, parang nakakontrata siya sa Wabi Sabi Studio, itong director natin guys. So yun, so I think that's all for our reaction video for today guys ng special week 2 ng Between Us. So I hope na nagustuhan nito guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I-click nyo na rin po ang notification bell para updated kayo always kapag nag-upload po ako ng mga bago reaction video dito sa ating YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone. Keep safe.